Okay, hey, welcome back. What we're going to do is we're going to make some fish on the grill today, or actually on the campfire. We got some nice thick cod, and we got some nice fruits and vegetables, or vegetables rather. Let's see, I can show you right here. We're going to be putting all this into there. Hold on. Let's see if we can get it up here high enough for y'all to see it. Okay, we got everything from broccoli, oregano, basil, tomato, carrots, mushrooms, potatoes. Let's see. Smells good. Wish y'all could have some. But yeah, we're gonna put all this in there, and then we'll come back when it's all chopped up, and I'll show you what it looks like before I wrap it up with aluminum foil. Okay. Okay, we're back. We have everything seasoned and ready to go. We have all the vegetables and the fish underneath. We're just going to put a little bit of olive oil on each one, just to make it taste better. That good drizzle. Now we're ready to go. Let's bring it outside, put it in the fire. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. I'll show you what it looks like right before I take it out there as well. Okay. Okay, here's the 3 fish fillets all ready to go. About to take them out there. We'll put them in the fire, and we'll get back to you when we're outside. All right. Welcome back. We're going to light this fire. These fish on the grill. Fire's going good now. Just gotta wait for it to die down a little bit, get some nice hot coals, and then put the fish on the grill. Okay, our fire is looking good. Got some lots of nice hot ashes. We're gonna put the fish on, and we'll come back when it's ready and done. So we'll see you then. Alright, well, it looks like our fish are done. What we're going to do is take one off and take a look at it. Oh. Let's see here. Roll these sides out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That fish is ready to eat. Look at those vegetables. Looking good. It's a good $15 plate if you were in a restaurant. Here's our final product from cooking outside on the campfire. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy this now. So, wish you guys the best. Wish you were here. All right, thanks.